Just wanted to give you a real quick clip of what the divider would look like if you decide to make it into a speaker box. Speakers aren't connected yet, woofers, but I figured this would be a better place to store them than any. And I want to get some little braces that you put around to hold them, some little clamps. But the ones that came with these, I don't know what happened to them. So I'm gonna run up to probably Home Depot, Lowe's or something and see if I can find any braces, audio store or something that will hold them in. But that's what it looks like.